All of you clap for Unnati. Very good, Unnati. Very good. Go and sit your place. Okay. Next. Vegetable market. What is that? Vegetable market. Go and buy any vegetables for making soup. Okay? So go and buy potato from the market. Stand up. Okay, but here you want potato. Yes, we bought potato. Repeat after me. Bought the potato, bought the potato, bought the potato just now. Peel the potato just now. Cut the potato, cut the potato, cut the potato just now. Put the potato, put the potato, put the potato just now. Put the potato, put the potato, put the potato just now. Put the potato, put the potato, put the potato just now. Okay? Now we have another vegetable to making stew. Okay? So Anand, get up and bought some beetroot for making soup. Stand. Okay, give me money. Okay. Take it. This is green chilies. Okay? Bought the chilies, bought the chilies, bought the chilies, just the chilies. Put the chilies, put the chilies just now. Stir the chilies, stir the chilies, stir the chilies just now. Stir the chilies, stir the chilies, stir the chilies just now. Okay, we want another vegetable for making soup. So Devika, go and some bought pumpkin first. Okay, take it. Which one? Pumpkin. Okay. Give me money. Beetroot, bought the beetroot, bought the beetroot just now. Got the beetroot, got the beetroot, got the beetroot just now. Put the beetroot, put the beetroot, put the beetroot, beetroot just now. Take the beetroot, take the beetroot, take the beetroot, beetroot just now. Okay, now we want another vegetable for making our soup. So Ovi, stand up and bought some tomatoes from the market. Okay, which vegetable do you want? Tomato. Oh, first give me money. Okay. We bought
Very good.
Yes. We bought tomato from the market. We bought tomato from the market. Okay. Bought the tomato. Bought the tomato. Bought the tomato. Put the tomato just now. Stir the tomato. Stir the tomato. Stir the tomato just now. Okay. We want another vegetable. So Akshit, go and buy some capsicums from the market. Okay. Which vegetables do you want? Do you have money? Give me money. Okay. Take it. Capsicum. Capsicum from the market. Bought the capsicum. Bought the capsicum from the market. We bought capsicum from the market. Wash the capsicum. Wash the capsicum. Wash the capsicum just now. Cut the capsicum just now. Put the capsicum. Put the capsicum just now. Stir the capsicum. Stir the capsicum. ginger from the market. So Devant, go and buy some lady fingers from the market.
Do you want to vegetable? Lady finger. Okay. First, you give me money. Do you have some money? Okay, give me.
Judge now. Save the lady finger, save the lady finger from the market to make our soup. Now Ivan, go and buy some brinjals from the market.
Okay.
Brinjal. Brinjal.
You want? Okay. Take it.
Okay. We bought brinjal from the market. We bought brinjal from the market. Wash the brinjal, wash the brinjal, wash the brinjal just now. Brinjal just now. Put the brinjal, put the brinjal, put the brinjal just now. Stir the brinjal, stir the brinjal, stir the brinjal just now. Okay. We want another vegetable from the market to make our soup. Okay. So now some cabbage from the market.
Okay. Which vegetable do you want? Do you want? First, you give me money. Okay. Take this cabbage. Go back.
Okay, we bought cabbage from the market. We bought cabbage from the market. Wash the cabbage, wash the cabbage, wash the cabbage just now. Cut the cabbage, cut the cabbage, cut the cabbage just now. Put the cabbage just now. Stir the cabbage just now. Okay, we want another vegetable for our making soup. Okay, so Kitu, stand up and buy some cauliflower from the market. Cauliflower.
Okay. Which vegetables do you want? Cauliflower. Okay. First, you give me money.
We bought cauliflower from the market. Cauliflower, wash the cauliflower just now. Cut the cauliflower just now. Put the cauliflower just now. Stir the cauliflower. Another vegetable for making our vegetable soup. Okay, we had made vegetable soup today, right? Very good. But do you know the benefits of vegetables? What is the benefit of vegetables? It provides energy to us. What? Energy to us. Makes us strong. Okay? Makes our body strong. That our body might carry disease. Okay? It provides very good natural skin and also helps you to fight with many diseases. Okay? So vegetables is very important in our daily diet. Okay? Okay?